Be ready for the dictation. 5 seconds to go. The Supreme Court issued notice to the Center and the National Testing Agency on a petition seeking the cancellation of the NEET exam held this year for the undergraduate medical courses over an alleged paper leak. A vacation bench posted the matter seeking a response from the National Testing Agency. It is not that simple that because you have done it is sacrosanct. Sanctity has been affected, so we need answers. Justice told the council representing the National Testing Agency how much time you want immediately on the reopening. Otherwise, the counseling will start. Justice Amanullah told the NTA's counsel. The counsel for the NTA submitted that the petition be tagged along with an earlier petition on which notice was issued by a bench led by the Chief Justice of India on May 17. The petition is listed on July 8, he informed. The bench then posted the present petition along with the earlier petition. The petition was filed by Shivangi Mishra and 9 others before the declaration of the results. After the declaration of the results, few more petitions have been filed in the Supreme Court questioning the decision of the National Testing Agency to award grace marks to several candidates. However, those petitions which were filed after the declaration of results were not listed today. The writ petition filed under Article 32 of the Constitution seeks to direct the National Testing Agency to conduct the exam again in view of the allegations of the paper leak. Raising doubts about the sanctity of the exam, the petitioners seek the cancellation of the exam while considering another petition seeking similar reliefs. The Supreme Court had refused to stay the declaration of the results of the NEET UG exam, though the bench led by Chief Justice of India issued notice on that petition and posted the matter. The bench stated that the results of the exams held on a pan-India basis cannot be stayed. The Guwahati High Court directed the Assam government's chief secretary to apprise it as to why required money has not been made available for disbursement of compensation to the victims under the Assam Victim Compensation Scheme and the steps proposed to be taken to release the amount at the earliest. The division bench was hearing a PIL raising an issue regarding non-payment of compensation to the victims under the Assam Victim Compensation Scheme 2012. In April, the court had asked the state to come with a definite proposal for release of the requisite funds. We are forced to make a comment that it is very sorry state of affairs that the compensation is not being disbursed to the victims for lack of funds. The state is having its primary responsibility to provide the fund for disbursement of compensation to the victims, it had remarked. However, on May 20, 2024, the council appearing for Finance Department submitted that during the joint meeting held between the Finance Department and the Law Department, it is agreed that the Law Department shall submit a proposal regarding funds which are in requirement for the purpose of disbursing to the victims under the scheme of 2012. It was further submitted that after submission of the requisition from the Law Department, the Finance Department will consider the same and will take effective steps for release of requisite funds to be disbursed to the victims under the scheme of 2012.